In question 4th, this question 4th is very important. It is given the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, fare is given as rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, subsequent means whatever distance is left. Okay, for the subsequent distance, fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. For the first one, it is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance, total distance we have to take as x kilometer, and the total fare is also given as rupees y. We have to frame a linear equation in two variable, and also we have to represent its graph. Okay, given terms are here: total fare, total distance is, or we can write down distance covered. Total distance covered is x kilometer, and total fare is, here we'll write down total distance covered. Total fare is rupees y. Okay, these two terms are already given. Total fare and total distance covered is x kilometer. Now in the first line they are saying for the first kilometer, fare is rupees 8. Fare is not fixed for the whole distance. For the first kilometer, fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. Here distance is x kilometer. If I write down x over here, I know if x is the total distance, okay, this is the total distance, then suppose this is the first kilometer. So this leftover distance, I know this is 1 kilometer, this is total is x kilometer, so the leftover is x minus 1, and this leftover, this is called as, here the term used is subsequent distance. Okay, subsequent distance. Now the fare is, for the first kilometer, fare is given as, fare is rupees 8 for the first, and whatever distance is left distance is x minus 1. For the leftover distance, it is, fare is rupees 5. Okay, and we know total fare is y. Like this way we have to frame the equation. This is the total distance for the first kilometer. For the first kilometer, it is given as rupees 8. Whatever distance is left, I know if this is total is x, this is 1, so the leftover distance is x minus 1. So for the leftover distance, it is given as rupees 4. Fare is given as rupees 5 per kilometer. So x minus 1 into 5 for the leftover distance, and for the first one it is rupees 8. Like this way we have to frame the equation, and we know total fare is rupees y. So I can write down this as 8 plus 5x minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 plus 5x, y is equal to 3 plus 5x is the linear equation. Easily we can find out the three solution. I am not showing the working, you all are able to do the working directly. I am making table here. We'll take three solution, minimum 3 solutions are required to represent any equation graphically. Suppose I'll write x is 1. If x is 1, 3 plus 5 is 8, y is equal to 8. If x I am taking as 0, 3 plus 5 into 0, y is 3. If x I am taking, suppose any negative number I am taking, x is minus 1, so 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. These are the three solutions, and we have to represent it graphically. Like this way we can represent it graphically. We will make one Cartesian plane. Okay, 0, we'll write here 1, 2, maximum is y is 8. Here we'll take till 8 partition necessary. We have to take 8 partition, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8th partition. y is maximum is 1, so I'll take only 3 are sufficient. First solution is 1, 8, x is 1 and y is 8. It will be here. We'll write down the name of the point, which is 1 and 8. Second solution is 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. X 0 will lie on which axis? On y axis. So I'll represent this point 0, 3. It will be here on the y axis only, at 3 unit above from the 0. Third point is minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 2 is required on y. So here we have to take 2 partition in the negative direction also of y. I haven't mentioned x with positive, with negative, y with positive and y with negative. Minus 1 and minus 2. X is minus 1 and y is minus 2. It will be here only. X minus 1, y minus 2. First solution, second solution and third solution. We'll join all the 3 solution and we'll get one line. Easily we can make a line. We have to mention the solution. Last is minus 1 and minus 2. This one was 0 and 3. Write down the coordinate 0 and 3. Whenever we are plotting the graph, we are drawing the line, we have to mention all the coordinates, and also we have to mention the equation of the straight line. Here the equation is y is equal to 3 plus 5x. Okay. If suppose you are not writing the coordinate or if you are not writing the equation, definitely deduction will be there. So be careful, you have to mention all the coordinates and you have to write down the equation also. This question was very important. Only one thing you have to remember, whatever is the total distance, whatever value is given here, take that value and it will be the subsequent. Subsequent means rest, whatever is left over. Here the total distance was x for the first kilometer. This first if I have taken here, so the rest is total minus 1, this x minus 1. So the leftover here is x minus 1 is the subsequent distance. For the first kilometer fare was rupees 8 given, and for the subsequent distance fare was rupees 5 and total fare was y. Okay, rupees y. Like this way you are able to frame, you will be able to frame the equation. Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't